Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. I'm coming to you all today to speak to those of you who may be on your jewelry journey, or you may just be a beginner and you realize that jewelry is something that you want to learn how to do. Well, I'm here to tell you that there are no secrets, okay? There is nothing new about jewelry making. There are no secrets. All you can do is trust in your feelings, trust in what the Most High gave you, your abilities, and believe in who you are, because there are no true secrets. When I started making and creating jewelry a long time ago, I had to learn a lot of things. And your first process is pretty much getting to know what you want to create. So I'm here to tell you that you are not doing it wrong. And the reason why I want to speak on this is because you're going to have a lot of people on your journey that may come at some point in time or another to try to discourage you or make you feel inadequate on what you are doing. When the Most High Yah gives us all your gifts and your talents, you have to learn things about your journey. So you have to start off in the beginning, believing in who you are, believing in what God gave you, and practicing it, using it, developing it. Okay, those are the steps to anybody that has made a decision pretty much to do anything in your life, whether it's jewelry, crocheting. But understand that you will have people who will try to come to sabotage or take you out your game or make you feel like you are not worthy. I'm here to tell you that you are worthy, that you can do anything and anything that the Most High has given you to give birth to. When you make a decision to do it, practice it, there is nothing that no one can tell you about you. And that's just it. When it all boils down, you are different, you are unique, and your difference is going to separate you from everybody else. So you may have some people that tell you, oh, you're not doing it right. You need to do it this way, or you may need to do this, or you may need to do that. But you have to do what works for you. Sometimes you can go off and you can learn from other people, and it still may not be enough. But if you sit down and you take your time and you get to learn the things that you like, you enjoy, that makes you feel good, then you will win. You will win because you are doing what God gave you to do. And it doesn't matter how many people out there are doing it. He gave that thing to you, but you have to develop it. You have to plant your seeds. You have to grow it. You have to learn about it. Yes. And you have to practice it. But most importantly, you have to believe in who you are. There are so many people who want to start something different, who want to start a different journey, but along on their journey, they may get discouraged or they may feel like they are not enough. And I'm here to tell you that you are absolutely enough. You just have to believe in who God called you to be. And whatever position or place where He has you, wherever that may be in your life, you do that thing to the best of your ability. I hope this message has helped someone. I want to say thank y'all so very much for your amazing support to this platform. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to share. Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful and amazing day. And as always, peace and blessings. And until my next upload, see ya.